Okay, quick question before we even say hello today. Have you ever heard a native English speaker say something like, "I'm still trying to get over it," or "we get along really well," and just completely frozen? Like your brain just stopped working for a second?
Oh, everyone's had that moment.
Because that's exactly what today's episode is about. There are 4 English phrases that confuse literally every single English learner, and I mean every single one, because they all use the same tiny word, get, but they mean completely different things.
And the scary part is, if you mix them up, you can accidentally say something totally wrong in a conversation. Like really embarrassing wrong.
Yes. So stay with us till the end today, because by the time this episode is over, you are going to understand exactly when to use get back, get over, get along, and get through, and you're never going to confuse them again.
This is honestly one of the most requested topics we've ever gotten, so let's not waste any more time. Welcome back to Beach Talks. I'm Sam.
And I'm Hina, and we're doing this one live, sitting right here on the sand, just like always.
Okay, so before we dive into the 4 phrases, let's talk about why these specific words confuse learners so much.
Right. So in English, we have something called phrasal verbs. That just means a small verb like get, take, or put, combined with a small word like back, over, along, or through, and together they create a brand new meaning that has almost nothing to do with the original word.
Exactly. So get by itself just means to receive or obtain something. But the moment you add another word to it, the whole meaning changes completely. That's what trips people up.
So today we're breaking down 4 of the most common ones. Let's start with the first one, get back.
Okay, get back. This one actually has 2 very different meanings, which is exactly why it confuses people.
Ooh, tell us the first one.
So, meaning number 1, get back can simply mean to return to a place. Like, I need to get back home before it gets dark. Or, what time did you get back from the trip?
Okay, that one's pretty simple. It just means return.
Exactly. But here's where it gets interesting. Get back can also mean to respond to someone, usually after they've asked you something and you need time to think about it.
Oh, like in emails.
Exactly. Imagine your boss sends you a message asking a question, and you're busy right now. You could reply, "Let me check on that and get back to you." That means I will respond to you later after I have the information.
So that's such a professional, useful phrase. I'll get back to you by tomorrow. Can you get back to me once you've spoken to the team?
Perfect examples. And there's actually a third small use too, get back together, which people use for relationships. Like they broke up last year, but now they're getting back together.
Oh, that's such a common one in relationship talk. I heard they got back together after the fight.
Exactly. So to summarize this one in your head, get back can mean return to a place, respond to someone, or reunite with someone. Context tells you which one.
Okay, I love that we're doing context clues here because that's honestly the secret to understanding all of these. Let's move to the second phrase, get over.
Ooh, this one is emotional. So get over mainly means to recover from something difficult, emotionally, physically, or even just from a small inconvenience.
Give us an example.
Okay, so let's say someone went through a breakup. You could say, it took her months to get over the breakup. It means she needed time to heal, to feel okay again after something painful.
Right. And it doesn't have to be relationships. You could say, I finally got over my fear of flying, or he's still trying to get over the loss of his job.
Exactly. And here's a fun, very casual use of it too, for small everyday things. Like imagine your friend is really surprised or shocked by something, in a good way. You could say, I can't get over how good this food is.
Oh, I say that all the time. I can't get over how beautiful this sunset is.
Yes, it basically means I'm still amazed by this. I can't stop thinking about how great or surprising it is.
That's such a fun, natural way to use it in daily conversation, not just for sad or difficult situations.
Exactly. So get over really has two flavors: recovering from something difficult or being amazed or surprised by something. Both very common in everyday English.
Okay, quick pause. I want to compare get back and get over right now because I think this is where a lot of learners actually mix things up.
Good idea. Let's do that.
So if I say I need to get back to my ex, that means I want to return to them, maybe reconnect romantically.
Right.
But if I say I need to get over my ex, that means the complete opposite. I'm trying to heal, to move on, to stop feeling sad about them.
Wow, yeah, those two are almost opposite meanings, and they only differ by one small word. That's exactly why native speakers can understand each other instantly. But learners get confused because the difference is so subtle.
Exactly. So please, please be careful with this one because saying the wrong one could completely change what you're trying to communicate.
Great point. Okay, let's move on to phrase number 3, get along.
Oh, I love this one. It's such a friendly phrase.
It really is. So get along means to have a good, friendly relationship with someone, to be compatible, to not fight, to enjoy each other's company.
Give us some examples.
Sure. My sister and I get along really well. That means we have a good relationship, we don't fight much, we enjoy spending time together.
Or you could say it about coworkers too. Do you get along with your new manager?
Exactly. That's such a common question in a work context. And here's something interesting. You can also use it in the negative to talk about conflict. They just don't get along. Means two people have a difficult relationship. Maybe they argue a lot or just don't connect well.
Right. And there's also a slightly different, more old-fashioned meaning of get along, which just means to manage or to survive, like getting through daily life. For example, how are you getting along since the move?
Oh yeah, that one's a bit more common with older English speakers or in more formal writing. It basically means, how are things going for you? How are you managing?
So there's a small overlap there with our fourth word, too, which brings us to get through.
Perfect transition. Okay, get through. This one is all about survival, endurance, completing something difficult.
Give us the classic example.
Sure, I don't know how I got through finals week. That means I survived it. I managed to complete a really difficult, stressful period.
Oh, I use that one constantly during exam season. I have no idea how I got through that week.
Exactly. And you'll hear it a lot with emotional situations too. She's getting through a really hard time right now, meaning she's dealing with something difficult day by day, surviving it.
Right, and there's also a more literal meaning, like actually physically getting through something. The traffic was so bad, I don't know how we got through it in time.
Exactly. Or I couldn't get through the crowd at the concert, meaning you physically couldn't pass through the people.
And one more really common use for phone calls. I tried calling you 3 times, but I couldn't get through. That means the call didn't connect.
Oh, that's such an important one, especially now with everyone using phones so much. Sorry, I tried to get through to customer service for an hour.
Such a relatable example. Okay, now let's do something fun. Let's put all 4 phrases side by side using the same little story so everyone can really hear the difference in one place.
I love that idea. Okay, let's imagine a story about someone named Allie.
Okay, so Ollie went through a really tough breakup last year.
Right, so first, it took him a few months, but he finally got over the breakup, meaning he healed emotionally, he moved on.
Then, surprisingly, a few weeks ago, Ollie and his ex actually got back together. They decided to give the relationship another try.
Interesting plot twist. Now, Ollie's friends were a little worried at first, but honestly, Ollie and his ex get along really well now. They communicate better, they don't argue as much as before.
And even though the whole situation was really difficult and emotional for everyone involved, Ali says he's grateful he got through it because it made him stronger. Perfect. Did everyone catch all 4 in that one little story?
Got over the breakup, got back together, get along well, got through the difficult time.
I think hearing them together like that in one connected story makes the differences so much clearer than just memorizing definitions.
Completely agree. Context and stories always stick better in your memory than just a list of definitions.
Okay, let's do a quick listener challenge right now, live. Sam, I'm going to describe a situation, and you tell me which phrase fits best, okay?
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
Situation 1. Your friend asks you a question over text, but you're driving, so you can't answer right now.
Easy. I'll get back to you.
Correct! Situation 2. You just finished an incredibly stressful work project that lasted 3 months.
I finally got through it.
Exactly right. Situation 3, you and your new roommate never argue. You both really enjoy living together.
We get along really well.
Perfect. And situation 4, you're finally starting to feel okay after losing your job a few months ago.
I'm finally getting over it.
All 4 correct. See, once you hear it in real situations like this, it actually becomes so much easier to remember.
It really does. And honestly, this is exactly how we'd recommend you practice. Don't just memorize the definition, actually create small situations in your own life and try using the phrase out loud.
Yes, speaking it out loud, even to yourself, really helps it stick in your memory long term.
Okay, one more thing before we let you go today. I want to mention a few small mistakes learners commonly make with these phrases, just so you can avoid them.
Good idea. Let's cover that.
So, mistake number 1. People sometimes say get over from something, adding an extra word, but it's just get over it. No from needed. I got over it, not I got over from it.
That's such a common little error. Good catch. What's mistake number 2?
Mistake number 2, confusing get along with get along with. Remember, if you're mentioning the specific person, you need with. I get along with my sister, not just I get along my sister.
Oh, yes. That little preposition with is so easy to forget, but it's really important there.
Exactly. And mistake 3, using get back when you actually mean get over. Like saying, I need to get back my ex, when you actually mean you want to heal from the breakup. That completely changes your meaning, so be careful there.
Such helpful little corrections. I think these small details are exactly what separates someone who sounds okay in English versus someone who sounds really natural and confident.
Completely agree. These 4 phrases come up constantly in daily conversations, in emails, in relationships, at work, so getting comfortable with them is honestly going to make a huge difference in how natural you sound.
Absolutely. And honestly, I think the biggest tip today is just don't be afraid to use these phrases, even if you're not 100% sure. Native speakers make small mistakes too, and the more you practice out loud, the faster it becomes natural.
Couldn't agree more. All right, that's genuinely one of my favorite episodes we've done because these phrases come up in real conversation constantly.
Same here. If this episode helped you, do us a huge favor and share it with a friend who's also learning English. It really helps us keep making these for you.
And if there's a phrase or expression that's been confusing you, let us know because there's a good chance a lot of other listeners are confused by the exact same thing.
We genuinely love to hear from you. Thanks so much for spending this time with us today.
Thanks, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode of Beach Talks.
Bye, everyone.